I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. 4 out of 5 winners this week. Played it steady for consistent profits. One of the highlight wins were on BABA, $8 plus per share, and also on BABA we had a 20% on the vertical leap. The rest were also with swing trades and fewer day trades. The only loss we had was a gamble put on SPY, but cut losses fast on that and kept it small, and the rest were winners. I am ending the week in the green this week. So MU played it small, would have been a lot more. Let's look at this run up here. So on the 5-day chart, this one was at 49 area, a little bit more, 48 area, and ran up all the way to 50, almost close to 51. I sold it at about 48, and it ran up even more, 2 points from there. So I let it run. I let my winners run. I took profits on the day trade. I'll show you why I did that. Mainly because take profit when I see it pulling back. I'm being careful with the markets right now. Next thing was Visa. That one I played the vertical spread on that one. So if anybody took that one, that was my first spread I took. So you buy a call and a sell a call. I'll explain how to do that in another video, how to do vertical spreads separately and different options type of strategies for more increasing your chances of profit. So that was a nice win on that. That was Visa, so we had profit on that. Next thing was BABA. We played earnings. BABA flew right after earnings and then came back down. So we see earnings right here. I picked it up around 176.5, ran up all the way to 186.5. I sold pre-market, had my order in at 185, got filled at 185.2 something. So very happy. I woke up saying my option or my shares got filled and I'm out, took profit. So that was a very nice thing to wake up to. And next thing was BABA. We had 20% profit on the option trade. That was also a vertical spread. So this was the entry, and that was alerted. So it was alerted. Anybody had the day trade on that, it's up 20%. So I held it for the next day, and then I came down a little bit. I did average down, so I got only about 10%, but I alerted that before the day before 20%. So if you had a chance to pick that up, it could have been 20% if you took the profit on the same day, which I alerted heavily in the chat room and on the voice. But I sold next day, averaged down, got about 10%. So I posted that as 20% as I alerted multiple times to take profit on the day. But all in all, ending the week green, and very happy. Played it consistently, consistent profits, and played it steady. So let's look at the recap of the markets. And before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. And also make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media here. So let's go ahead and do a 5-day recap on SPY, S&P 500. So we've seen a small drop in the intraday when that trade issues came out on CNBC, all over the news, all that stuff came out, and then made the huge run. Markets breaking all-time highs again this week, so 287.67. So about a point from the previous highs that we had last week. Markets is still going up, and I'm looking for a pullback in the markets already. Just going up, and sometimes it just gets scary when you see markets go up like that. So I'm just looking for a market pullback right now, playing it steady, playing for small profits, not taking any big positions, nothing too much for long term, just playing it for a quick capture for the profits. Looking at the 180 day, we're hitting that RSI of 70 again, that overbought region. So I'm definitely looking for a big market pullback coming up, or at least a small correction coming up later this year. Could happen at the end of the month or even next month. Could happen anytime. That's why I'm playing it safe and playing it carefully. So next thing I'm looking for, so I alerted this in the chat room in the options alerts. I'm looking for STZ and ATVI. I want to go over these charts really quick. So I'm looking at ATVI. Looking at the yearly chart, had that big sell-off from 81.64, and yearly chart looks good for reversal up here. So definitely confirmation of breakout on the reversal. So looking at the green bar showing up on the RSI and MACD, so definitely looks for a nice breakout over 75 coming up. So I was looking at picking up a vertical spread on this on Friday, and at 72.5 area, and then I had my alert set and just flew above that 74. It closed at 74, so I don't chase any positions. I don't chase it, so I let it run. If it comes back down to 72, 73 area, I'll look to pick it up. Next thing is STZ. They invested in CGC, Canopy Growth. That's a marijuana stock, so that's why they put in a lot of money. That's why it fell all the way from here 220 all the way down to 200, but it is on a yearly reversal breakout. So it jumped all the way from 200 to 207, and on Friday it ran up all the way from 204.60 to 208, 209 area. So I let that run as well. I missed both of those, but I don't chase, so I didn't really miss it. I'm just waiting for a next pullback. And right now, only position I have in is WTW. I have these for the long term and yearly chart. So looking at the yearly chart, green bar about to cross over on here. So looking for a breakout to 80 on that one. So let's go ahead and I have shares on this one and a vertical spread on that. And I picked up a gamble put again on SPY on Friday, but let's see if markets can come down, open in the red on Monday again. Let's see how that plays out. So those are the two positions I'm looking to get into. That is ATVI, STZ. Right now, only positions in WTW. I have shares on that for long term, and I have a vertical spread on that, and both are in the profit right now. And SPY, I have a gamble put. So I'm just trading lightly, as you can see with my positions. I'm mostly closing them out before the weekend and just playing carefully. Again, looking for a big market pullback, so just be careful with that. If you guys want to receive these live trading alerts, education, the voice chat, everything, make sure to head over to pinnacletrading.us. You can grab a 1-week free trial at no cost. If you scroll down, click the join now button, and if you want to join the membership, head over, take a look at our plans, and we have simple month-to-month plan pricing, and we also have 6-month and 12-month plans, which saves you money in the long run. So go ahead, check it out for monthly, the week trial for free. And if you would like to join the month-to-month plan, and then you can receive all those live options, long-term investing, trading alerts, stocked, one-to-one mentorship access in our Diamond platform, and our membership. And make sure to check that out. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. And I'll see you guys next week.